Welcome to Let Me Know YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Good morning everyone. Today's topic is fractions. So first of all, fraction. Fraction is nothing but it is a part of a whole. For example, we have a bun or cake. We make that cake or bun into two pieces. Each piece we consider as half. That we express in the form of 1 by 2. So here in this 1 by 2, 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. Okay, 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. These terms you have to remember. Okay, next, proper fraction. Proper fraction. If numerator is less than the denominator, then that fraction is called proper fraction. If numerator is less than the denominator, then that fraction is called proper fraction. Numerator should be less than denominator. Numerator is 8, denominator is 11. So 8 is less than 11. These type of fractions are called proper fractions. 4 by 9, 7 by 11, etc. Improper fractions. If numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, if numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, then the type of fractions are called improper fractions. Once again, improper fraction. If numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, then that fraction is called improper fraction. Numerator should be greater than the denominator. See the examples. So 17 by 12 is a fraction. In 17 is a numerator and 12 is a denominator. So 17 is greater than 12. Here 12 by 7. This is also 12 is greater than 7. Okay. If numerator is greater than the denominator, then that type of fractions are called improper fractions. Next, coming to the next point. The value of proper fraction always less than the 1. The value of proper fraction is always less than 1. The value of improper fraction is always more than or equal to 1. Either more than 1 or equal to 1. Okay. Then mixed fraction. The combination of whole part and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Combination of whole part and a proper fraction. See, combination of whole part and proper fraction. Why I am saying here proper fraction? While writing mixed fraction, the fractional part should be, numerator should be less than the denominator. Okay, then that's why I am saying here that the combination of whole part and a proper fraction will makes a mixed fraction. Then like fractions. If all the denominators are same, those fractions are called like fractions. Irrespective of the numerators, all the denominators are equal. Then the type of fractions are called like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. If denominators are different, those fractions are called unlike fractions. Irrespective of numerator, all the denominators are different, then the type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Next, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction can be defined as fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value or proportion of the whole. Equivalent fractions are nothing but it defined as a fraction, different numerators and denominators that represent the same value of the given fraction. See here, 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 30 by 50. Here numerator and denominators are different, but the value of the fraction should be same. 3 by 5, next 6 by 10. Here if we simplify this one, we are going to get 3 by 5 only again. 30 by 5, here also we are going to get 3 by 5 only. Here we are writing only 3 by 5 in terms of 6 by 10, 30 by 50, like that. These are called equivalent fractions. Next, reciprocal of a fraction. If numerator and denominator of a fraction are interchanged to each other, then new fraction is called a reciprocal of fraction. Okay, if we have a fraction like 4 by 5, reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. If numerator and denominators are interchanged each other, numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Then the type of fractions are called reciprocal fraction. Here see, reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Okay, next here I am going to give you one more fraction, that unit fraction, whose numerators are 1. Whose numerator is 1. The type of fractions are called unit fractions. Okay, that's all for today. Just make a notes of this, learn more, practice more. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.